Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I wanted to share something with you real quick. I just purchased the new Builderall affiliate bootcamp that is coming November 1st. And if you've been looking for solid, real quality information on getting started, creating online income with affiliate marketing from a high-level internet marketer, stay tuned as I go over what all is being offered in this bootcamp. First, this bootcamp was created by Dave Sharp and is a collaboration between Dave and Builderall. And just real quick, Dave Sharp generally doesn't require much in terms of an introduction. But if by chance you haven't heard of him, Dave Sharp is a veteran affiliate marketer, trainer, course and system creator, someone who started from ground zero knowing nothing about internet marketing. He was just looking for a way out of an endless construction job in the Florida sun to now selling in excess of $250 million online. This certainly speaks to his credibility to teach this bootcamp. And then, of course, there's Builderall. I'll just quickly say that Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that competes with the likes of ClickFunnels, Wix, and other website or funnel builders. But also, given all the tools they provide, they compete with others such as GetResponse and Aweber, for example. But that's only a very small sampling of what they have to offer. This is going to be a live boot camp starting November 1st, as I mentioned, and will consist of daily lesson plans, weekly live presentations, as well as a private and active Facebook group where you can share your progress, struggles, accountability, and a place for inspiration. Since this is a preview of what will be covered inside the boot camp, I'll have to show you the itinerary for the boot camp. So let's jump over to my computer and let's take a quick look at the contents that are planned for the next 30 days. Okay guys, so here we are inside of my computer. Just wanted to kind of give you a quick overview of what's inside the course, but you know what, I decided before I do that, this is the page you'd go to after you purchased the boot camp. But I want to go ahead and let you listen to Dave for about, I don't know, 30 or 45 seconds, something like that. Just kind of get a good feel for him, as well as again reiterating what is inside and what you can expect. So let's just take a quick listen to him.
Thing, but here's what I want to tell you right up front, is that what you just purchased is unlike anything else out there in the marketplace. This boot camp is going to dramatically, and not just a little bit, dramatically change your business, how you show up, and the results that you get if you complete this entire boot camp. This boot camp is unlike anything that you've probably experienced before as well, because it's going to be live. It's not just going to be videos that you go and watch on your own. It's going to be a live, interactive boot camp that's going to be delivered in a private Facebook group. Now, that doesn't just mean we're going to make a little text post or go live every day. No, we've got pre-recorded curriculum that we're going to introduce and release every single day, starting on the first day and ending at the end of the month. And so not only are we going to release that curriculum so you have a chance to be able to watch it and absorb it, but we're also going to be in there interacting with.
Anyway, that'll give you kind of a little bit of a better idea of what to expect. But let's take a quick look at what is going to be covered inside these 30 days, okay? On day one, the perfect offer, going to be presenting how to make the perfect offer. Day two, who's going to buy? What are you going to sell? Day 4, how will you sell it? Day 5, why should someone buy right now? Day 6, crafting irresistible copy that sells. That is invaluable. Copywriters make a lot of money, and there's a reason for that. People that use copywriters make a lot of money. Day 7, offer plus avatar, sell now, not later. Day 8, the perfect funnel, how to create the perfect funnel, which if you decide to jump on board with Builderall, this will help. This will help you kick Builder off correctly. Matching your offer to the right funnel. So there's a ton of funnels available for your use inside of Builderall, and this will help immensely, matching your offer to the right. Keep it simple, stupid. Day 11, click-by-click funnel setup. Again, will be beneficial for you inside of Builderall. Day 12, creating congruency with email integration. Day 13, video hacks to increase funnel conversions. Day 14, secrets to turning $1 into $5. Probably is going to start to delve a little bit into paid advertising, but you'll see more about that here shortly. The perfect emails. Day 16, is email marketing dead? Day 17, how and when to use email marketing. The days that are dedicated to email marketing, you're going to find that invaluable as well. Day 18, the 3 core emails to build relationships and sell more. Anatomy of a high converting email. You can see the importance of email marketing just based on the number of days they're dedicating to email marketing. As the saying goes, the money is in the list. I hate to think of the individuals on the receiving end as just the list, but this is our audience, and a lot of money can be made through that email list, okay, and through your audience. Day 20, getting more opens. Day 21, measuring, tracking, and optimizing email campaigns. Again, I'm going to say look at the number of days dedicated to email marketing. Day 22, the perfect ad. Day 23, Facebook and advertising compliance. Starting to get into Facebook ad. Day 24, get more engagements, leads, and buyers from Facebook ads. Click-by-click Facebook and Instagram ad placement. This is awesome. How and when to use pay-per-click ads. Click-by-click Google Ads campaign setup. This is great. Day 28, YouTube mastery, the 4 key elements. I think these classes are going to be 60 to 90 minutes in length. So if you can imagine, you're getting 30 days, essentially 45 hours of training. So YouTube mastery, the 4 key elements. I'm excited about that piece of the course. Day 29, free quality traffic with Instagram hashtags. And day 30, measuring return on investment, tracking your results for growth and scale. Unbelievably important. People run ads. I've run ads. Unless you know how to interpret the results, how to tweak the ad based on those results, you're dead in the water. You wouldn't want to spend money on ads if you didn't know how to measure the results and then tweak the ads based on those results. This is going to be very important. Anyway, I think that's a good overview, and you got to listen to a little bit of Dave, kind of hear what he's like and his personality. So guys, as I wrap up this video so it doesn't become too long, unless it already has for you, I really hope this overview of all that this boot camp has to offer has helped. I kind of figured it would help to clarify for some. This course will help get you going down the right path, or will help you course correct if you've already begun taking action, which can have a profound impact on your business since you've already shown that you have what it takes, which is the taking action part. I just want to let you know that depending on when you are seeing this, there are only 7 days left until this thing kicks off. I really am hoping some of you will take advantage of this opportunity, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside of the training and participating in that Facebook group. I would love to hear about any ahas or breakthroughs you have during this boot camp, and of course any success you have during the first 30 days. If you are interested or think you might be, I'll have a link below that will take you to Dave's 10 best online business video, at the end of which you'll be given the opportunity to register for the boot camp, as well as a couple of additional opportunities to include a free 7-day trial of Builderall. And of course, there's no credit card required to take advantage of that 7-day trial. If you've been considering an online business and have been looking at the tools it takes, this will be a great opportunity to get started on the right foot with the right training now and the best tool in the industry. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and if you are excited about what you saw here, leave the comment Live Builderall Bootcamp in the comments below. I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe, as I plan on adding regular content videos to this channel moving forward. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.